Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to quickly show you how you can make your BuddyPress community a lot more engaging using the BuddyPress hashtag plugin. You have already used hashtag on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Well, the same idea works beautifully inside BuddyPress too. Hashtag helps connect conversations, group similar topics together, and make it much easier for members to find what they are looking for. So you can easily try the demo from the product page. For now, I'm using the local setup to showcase this plugin. First, let's see the plugin in action. Go to activity feed and create an activity with hashtags. You can choose between profile and group, then click on post update. This will create an activity. You will notice that the hashtag automatically turns into a clickable link. When you will click on it, then this will display all the activity related to that specific hashtag like football. Members can also follow hashtag they are interested in. To do so, you have to go to the profile setting, then click on follow hashtags, then enter hashtag you want to follow. You'll also see the all the hashtag you are following. From here you can unfollow. So let's go back to activity page. Click on followed hashtag. Now you will see a filtered feed showing only the posts related to that hashtags you follow. Now let's see some of the backend settings. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to WP plugin and click on BuddyPress hashtag. You will land on the general setting page. This is where you control how hashtag behave on your site. Here you can allow Unicode characters like symbols and emojis, set the minimum and maximum hashtag length, decide whether the hashtag should work on blog post or not, enable or disable the options to follow hashtags. Once everything look good, just hit the save button. Let's go to analytics. Here you can see the hashtag statistic across your site. What's the count and what are the trending hashtags? And you can also export hashtag and export statistic summary also. Now let's go to manage. Here you can see the count of any particular hashtag, and you can also delete any hashtag you don't want in your community. That's it. With BuddyPress hashtag, you can turn a basic activity stream into a more organized, searchable, and engaging community experience. So, if you are building a topic-driven community, this plugin is definitely worth trying out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.